Hi there, my name is Richard and I will be one of the facilitators for our workshop on objects, emotions and the translated play. And what this workshop is all about is how we take emotions and objects and use them as a sort of fuel to guide, shape and inform our translation practice and the performance itself. To go back to basics, this whole workshop is how do we create dialogue and transfer between source culture and target culture. And within translation, there are many examples of this. In particular, for example, Brian Friel's work, Translations, which has been readapted and deployed in different situations, such as in Galicia, in Catalonia, in the Basque country, and even further afield, to discuss ideas of language and identity. At the same time, we have many Irish playwrights, for example, Marina Carr, who has taken classical texts from ancient Greece and ancient Rome and redeployed them within Irish settings to tackle different issues that were relevant in the ancient world, but are also contemporary for Ireland. Now, within this particular workshop, we'll be looking at the Catalan play La Bella Escrita and my translation of it into an Ulster English. Now, for those of you who don't have Catalan, don't worry. There will be a translation available in Spanish. Even if you don't have Spanish, don't worry. The workshop is to accommodate everybody, regardless of ability, whether you're an actor, a translator, a director, or just an aficionado of theatre. And I hope you get plenty out of it, and hope to see you there. Biggie Lynn, and see you next week. Bye.